Hola, hola, mis spoonies tenedores de la vida y del amor. Hello, my spoonie fellows, how are you? Here I am to do a quick Insta TV video. And this is my second and probably the last unboxing. Mi último box chat. So let's see if this box was worth it. Vamos a ver si esta cosa vale o no.
I still don't have it, and I don't know if I'm gonna have it. So let's do this. Palette, eyeshadow palette from Crown, equals to Morphe. It says here, dice aquí que cuesta $29.99 y es de como que this is like the Pro palette, the luxury Crown Fuego eyeshadow, Crown brush. Well, here is the palette. I think the colors are nice, but I think it is not like anything from another world. But let's see. That's it, I think. I don't want to touch it because I already have a lot of these colors, you know that. And I want to keep this for like a giveaway. This is Wonder Beauty mascara. This is a award-winning black and intensified glossy mascara. Will bring you lashes with new highlights. Literally. Well, my main problem here is that I have my eyelash extensions. Tengo mis extensiones de pestañas, entonces ese es mi gran problema aquí ahorita porque, pues, no puedo probar si esto es bueno o no. So, I'm going to try this on the lower. Les voy a probar. En mis pestañas bajas. You know what? It looks like the brush is funny, but it looks like it is a good eyelash product. This is from the brand Dr. Brandt. Quite expensive. Bastante cara. It says say goodbye to Puffy and say hello to Youthful. Those are my words. Es lo que ando buscando. Adiós a la puffiness esta. Let's see if it works. Biomimetic technology. Guaranteed. Te garantiza, dice que te va a reducir las ojeras y los círculos. On the box is this Note Cosmetics Luminous Silk Compact Blush. I do not need a lot of blushes, but here it says it costs $12. It's a nice color. And it has this thing here that is so stiff. Está muy not spoony approved the brush. So let's use our brush. Our preferred brush. Real Techniques. It's pigmented, Jeffree Star. Why am I doing this with this mirror? Okay, now what else comes in the box? This one. I was really happy with this one because I did something with the eyebrows. Yes, eyebrows. So I already tried it. It's this thing that comes from Chella Beauty eyebrow cream. The cost says that it's $26. So we have this thing. I have no idea how to use it, and it is a color taupe eyebrow cream, which I needed. So it has this little thing. It's like brush. Es como una brochita. Y aquí abajo viene el producto. ¡No todo es benefit! The eyebrows are sisters, not twins. What do you think? So that is pretty much what is in the box. Eso es lo que hay en la caja. Let's talk about this. Now, I like this one, but I think I need to just to put it and just let it rest before like a long time before the concealer. So this is what you immediately need to put. Necesitas ponerte esto inmediatamente antes de ponerte maquillaje. Pero sí la redujo, sí andaba ojerosa, sí andaba como pufeada. Andaba pufeada. Then this wonder, I cannot say if it's good or if it's bad because I have my eyelash extension. Look at this one. I mean, look, they're still here. Well, I will tell you my thoughts about my eyelash extension later. But I think this is a good product. It is a good product. This one, I really like it a lot. And this one, the blush is beautiful, but the brush is... Now, the only product that I was not excited about, I wanted the other product. I wanted to try the Tarte setting spray, because it was either this or the Tarte setting spray. So I was with this one. It is not a bad formula because it is Morphe's formula, but I think I'm just going to, if you agree with me, I think I'm just going to put this in a hole and give it as a giveaway. What do you think? Do you agree? Yes, I do. So I think it was a good box, especially for the Dr. brand. But please leave me your comments. Do you think it's a good acquisition, or do you think that I should just quit and ask for a pattern for this box? Because I'm still paying $14. So it is a box of 30. I cannot add. Es una caja de 21 más 14. Ustedes saben la suma. Thanks for being with me. Thanks for spending this time with me. Please do not waste your spoons, and I hope I can see you on the next video.